Hi, how are you? It's Rhonda. I'm just going to check, make sure I'm live here. And if you can hear me, please say hello. Let me know that you can hear me while I'm checking this. Great. So I see my sound is working. Checked it on my phone there really quick. Hope everybody's having a great Monday. So, what do I mean by there's a right way and a wrong way to do this? So, if you are joining me live, stop in, say hi, so I can give you a little shout out here. I'd love to say hi. I'd love to see people joining me on live. If you're catching this later on the replay, please say something, say hashtag replay, or hey, well, I'm watching the replay, so I can come back and make sure I respond to you so I get that notification. I always like to try to respond to everybody that comments on any of my posts, and especially the live videos. And I have not gone live now in a couple of weeks, which is unusual. I do like to try to get on live about once a week, just because I think it is nice for people to get to know you, right? A little bit different than just posting. Your personality comes out and people get to know the real you. But anyways, that's a different subject. That's not the subject of the live today. So I want to get right into it because I don't like to waste everybody's time. So I want to try to keep this short and sweet. So what do I mean by there's a right way and a wrong way to do this? So we constantly hear people talk about adding multiple streams of income, right? And why it's important. Now, especially this past year, it's become very apparent, right, that it is almost necessary to have multiple streams of income. So I have been working online now for some years. I've had some things that I've had little to no success. And now I'd say the past year to a year and a half, I've been starting to have more and more success, more consistent success. And it's been very exciting, right? Because I've finally found mentors who are really teaching me the right way and the correct way to do things, right? So now I've started to have some success, a lot of success, in my opinion, right? And it's been great. It's consistent. I'm having a consistent income, right? I'm not jumping from one thing to another, to another, to another, and confusing people. So that's the wrong way to do it. So let's get that out of the way first, right? That's the wrong way. Some people literally jump from program to program or MLM to MLM or, things like that. And it's confusing. People really don't know what you're doing. So I've been in the MLM now that I'm in, which I am in one, in case you didn't know that. I am involved in an MLM company for a couple of years now. Now, before that, I was in a different direct sales company, which went out of business. So that was what happened with that one. And the first direct sales or MLM company that I was with for 6 years. So I don't jump. I find something that I like and that's it. And it's the same thing with online programs, right? So I have been involved in an online program now where I'm actually a success coach in since last July, the end of last July, I started. So I've been having a lot of success with that. I actually became a success coach in the program, right? So now I'm starting to have like a lot of attraction. People are coming to me now for asking me what I'm doing. I'm helping a lot of people have success online besides myself. So how do you add in that multiple stream of income, right? So I share different things. I'll share different programs that I'm using. I'll share different tools that I'm using. Tools are important, especially online when you're building a business online, having some kind of automation, some sort of tools. One of the slogans or one of my brand values is to keep things simple. So anything that I share, I can guarantee you is simple. Hey, Victoria, thanks for hopping on. It's going to be easy to use. I am not a tech person, so you will never see me recommend anything that is going to be complicated or confusing. It's going to be the simplest things that I can find. Some things will take a little more work, but sometimes with some automated tools, there's no way around it. It's going to take a little bit of work, but they are definitely going to be the simplest things I can find. So there's that. So you add multiple streams of income by like getting affiliate programs for maybe some different tools you use, right? So like Be Live, I'm using Be Live now, and they just added this new feature for these virtual backgrounds. So I picked one of the pictures from our little road trip that me and my husband did last week, and this is actually Green Lake here. It's a right around Syracuse, New York. So I live in Western New York, for those of you who don't know. So I love this picture. This park was extremely beautiful, and we had never been there. So isn't it fun? So I share the Be Live tool, right? Things like that. I also recently, just about 2 weeks ago, became involved in another program, a second program that I have added in. And it doesn't conflict with the program I'm doing now. I'm still involved in the program I'm doing now that I'm a success coach in, right? I'm not jumping from one thing to another, but I added in another affiliate marketing program. And the reason I did that, because it offers different things. And it's a lower point of entry. So some people have to start there. And it's different. It offers a lot of different things than the current program that I'm in. So they complement each other, right? So I can be in both and have success in both. So that's how you successfully add in some multiple streams of income. So you've been seeing some posts or maybe watching my stories lately about this new affiliate program, wondering what it's about, right? So it's very simple. And that's what I like about it, right? I'm keeping it simple. It's very simple. It's literally shows you how to almost like copy and paste. You can tweak it a little bit if you want to, but proven words to say, attraction marketing techniques for more than just Facebook. So for TikTok, for YouTube, for Instagram, like how to be successful on those different programs and more in there. Teaches more about even paid ads and things like that, and different types of traffic, getting into that. So it's totally different than what I'm doing. It's extremely easy to get started in. It is a worldwide program. You can literally, like I said, copy and paste. There's tons of pre-made graphics. So a lot of times people get in to a program, and that's one of the things they have problems with, right? They're not sure how to make different graphics or photos or things like that to represent themselves, right? This is all professionally done. So there's a lot of professionally pre-made, done for you content to use. The videos are step by step, so you can get set up extremely quick and easy. You get a professionally made website landing page, which is awesome. And it's personally branding yourself. So you actually have your own picture, tells you a little bit about yourself on it, which I also love. The entry points, like I said, are low. $50, $150, and $300 is actually the top, the highest way to get into this right now. So it's extremely affordable, and that's what a lot of people need right now. Easy, affordable ways to get in and start making income right away. So if you look at my story today, I did post some proof. And actually, so in 2 weeks' time, I just added it up before I got on this live, I've made $2,300. And I haven't even implemented all the training yet. Like that is really just the basics. So I haven't even implemented the strategies yet for Instagram, for TikTok. Like this is basically just doing a few things on YouTube and a few things on Facebook right now. So it was extremely fast and easy to get started. So if you're looking for something like that, I mean, you can DM me, ask me for more information. You can also text Rhonda to 26786. There is a link on there that you can get some more information on also. But I'm also always happy to talk to anybody. So just shoot me a message in Messenger, and I'm always happy to answer any questions. So anyway, so those are a little bit of the right ways. Let me see, I think I have some comments here. Those are a little bit of the right ways how to incorporate multiple streams of income and that complement each other without making it seem like you're jumping from one thing to another, right? Which you don't want to see them. So, hey, Jackie, thanks for joining. Good to see you here. So anyways, if you have any questions about what I'm doing now, and have seen my post, feel free to ask me any questions here on this live if you're seeing it later, or, like I said, DM me and I'll be happy to share with you. So it's right about just over 10 minutes now, so I really didn't want to stay on that long. So I am going to end this live now, but I hope this gave you a little bit of information about how you can add some additional streams in and have multiple income sources coming to you. Have a great day. Happy Monday. Hope everybody has a fantastic week.